Welcome to SkyCiv. This is going to be a quick onboarding video about the SkyCiv Member Design module. The SkyCiv Member Design module is integrated into Structural 3D to design members of various materials in accordance with building codes around the world. It can also be used as a standalone module, which is what I will show you in this video here. Launching the module will first prompt you to select a design standard. That will load the design module. At the top, you have details of the design standard you have chosen, and below are your input tabs. The detail tabs is where you provide your project information so you can keep your projects organized. These details will also be included in the design report. Next is factors. These are the design factors or the assumptions made throughout the structure. You can make edits by clicking into the box. You can add a material from our database like structural steel, or you can add your own custom material. I will create a material called high tensile steel. Sections are all preloaded from our ASC library. I'm going to load in a hollow rectangular section. I'm also going to load in a W shape. Before I move on, I'm going to adjust the length of my structures by clicking in the cells and reassigning the material and section profiles of my members. Now I'm going to input the forces. You can obtain the forces from your analysis on 3D structural or beam tool results, or you may already know the loads that you have that you want to design for. Now I'm ready to check the design and I can see what has failed. I can see that the hollow rectangular shapes have failed, and I can see also why it has failed. Moment Z is too high and the shear and combined axial moment is failing. So I can now go back to my members and edit this hollow rectangular section to a larger shape. Checking the design, I can see everything now passes. Once you are happy with the results, you can generate a report to review. If you have any questions, send us a message on the platform. Our team is always here to help.